Okay. I'll come look at them. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Whose is this?
Mine.
Awesome. Can I get in?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Nick, are you hooked up? This hook. This hook.
Awesome.
This hook.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Dalton. There's 2 custom built 18s on an AK.
Okay. MD or?
MD AKs.
Yeah, okay. Are these, what is it, wire to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm?
One ohm. MD AK. 45 amp C-Max. CES 320. Custom subs to Ryan XTR 15 motors. Sound PhD. C3 baskets.
There you go.
2.5 to 1. 2 to 42.
42. Very nice. So you can remove this to get to the subs?
Correct.
Okay, got it. And you got some fur flex, okay. Have y'all metered it yet, just for fun?
I did a 149.9.
49, oh, so close. Oh. So you might get that 50 just by adjusting the seat or something. Yeah. Wow.
Outside.
Yeah, man. What made you check the seat out? Just curious.
It doesn't fit.
Really?
So I have to get custom racing seats.
Oh, that's all good. Work in progress. Nice battery rack right here. And how many lithium was this?
45.
45.
80.
Okay.
It's 2.
Yep. Nice. That looks really good. Y'all did a good job.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing me.
My mitts and high-end over here.
Okay. I'll come look at them. Nice. Nice and sealed off.
I don't know if you remember, but I messaged you about a year ago on Facebook, and you actually responded back at 412.
Really? It's been a while, but yeah, probably. I talked to a lot of people. Hopefully I helped her good. Thank you for showing me, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Dalton's system. He was showcasing at the Summer Showcase show in 2021, Jackson, Florida area for the show. Really impressive to see how clean the install was. Some nice subwoofer flex action I got, as well as a full walk around and a nice 3-minute demo of this. I really like the beauty panel view of it. You can see into the box, making this a bandpass enclosure. So usually you can't see the subs, but he made it happen. Subwoofers were actually inverted, or as I should say, mounted with the motors in the ported section. There is actually a sealed section underneath where this makes this a 4th order enclosure. Didn't find out what the peak frequency was, but he did say it was metered right at a 150, which is pretty impressive. Also, don't know what this amplifier is wired to. Just going to assume it's at 1 ohm, so he's definitely getting all the power to these custom 18-inch subs. I like the way he has his amplifier rack as well. Nice cooling fan to keep all his 4-channel and 2-channel amplifiers cool. He optimized his amplifier storage on the side of his box, so that way he had all of his clearance for the enclosure and the beauty of the box inside the cabin. Could definitely tell the bandwidth was planned 25 to like 45 to 50 hertz really well. So they did a really good job. Shout out to them. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate if y'all would subscribe for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube Jacob Vile. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. All right.
Tryna hide from the camera. I ain't going outside. breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Taking the top. $100,000 I ain't sleeping, you know that I'm in it. I shoot him right up in his face. Three say that I'm tripping, you know that I'm tripping. I'm like this, I'm ready. Don't watch me, but I ain't put it on. I ain't giving no shit, man. From my car to my house, everything I own. Don't watch me, but I ain't put it on. Everything I own it. When it comes to the money.
They're stinking. They're brand
Woo.
new.
Brand new, so you're still breaking them in?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me. Yeah, you can smell them already. Awesome, man. Wow.
Outside.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.